I'm Joel with Heels, Deals, and Wheels, and this is our Monday makeover. Hey everybody, my name is Joel, and I'm with Heels, Deals, and Wheels, and along with my sister Kelly Harden, we're back in this 3-bedroom, 2-bath mobile home that we just had a tenant leave up out of. So right now what we're doing is actually I just got finished changing all the locks on the doors. So I think I'm gonna paint the door over again. The carpet looks good. We just probably have to just shampoo it. We're gonna wash all the walls down in here. And we might take this carpet up right here because there's a seam busted. We actually put some backsplash like accent walls in the kitchen. And it didn't come out too good because it started peeling after almost 2 years now. So right now I'm in the process of taking it down. But other than that, everything is looking pretty good right about now. And we're on track to have this bad boy up and running in about 2 weeks. Took some of the light fixtures down too as well. I want to change the light bulbs. I don't like that yellow light bulb look. I think it's called soft white. I'm going to get the regular white light bulbs. And just got finished changing the lock in here as well. In this room, the carpet is pretty cool. Here's one of the light bulbs I was telling you about, the white light bulb, not the soft white. The soft white gives off like a yellow effect. It doesn't give it a clean effect to it. And the walls are pretty good. I think we're just going to come in here and just wash the walls down real good. The carpet in here is really nice. So what I'm going to do is just go here, get a shampooer and shampoo the carpet. And in the bathroom is not bad at all as well. Just a nice little cleaning. Change the toilet seat because it's evidently cracked right there. Take some more of this backsplash accent wall down. Tub looks good. Other than that, like I said, in 2 weeks, we should have this bad boy up and running. I'm Joel with Heels, Deals, and Wheels, and this is our Monday makeover.